So this is our homepage for our course theme. This is our stream. So the first thing I posted was this announcement. I basically just went to announce something to your class, and it let them know we will be using this website to do our lesson on Greek mythology. The next thing I did was create some resources and some assignments. So I went to classwork up here at the top and hit create. And from here we can go through and see. So the first one I did was material. That was just my resources tab. It'll tell the students and give them some links to some good articles, videos, etc. The next thing I did was an assignment. And the assignment is just like a unit preview where we can get some information from the students about what they already know, if they went over the resources, any questions they have, and of course, if this is their first time using Google Classroom, any questions that they have about Google Classroom. And the next thing I created was a question, like a discussion question. Same thing, go to create and then question. And this question is basically after we look at their previews, after they go over the resources, they should be able to tell us why we are studying myths. So they can do this question and they can look over other students' answers like a discussion post.